Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're checking out the Sony WH-CH520 wireless headphones, a stylish and affordable pair of Bluetooth headphones that are perfect for everyday use. If you're looking for long battery life, clear sound, and comfort without spending a fortune, this could be your next go-to headset. Let's dive in. The WH-CH520 comes in a sleek and lightweight on-ear design. Available in multiple colors here, we have the stylish blue version. They're super comfortable with cushioned ear pads, making them great for long listening sessions, whether you're working, commuting, or relaxing. One of the biggest highlights is the massive 50-hour battery life on a full charge. That means you can listen for days without worrying about recharging. And even if you're in a hurry, just a 3-minute quick charge gives you up to 1.5 hours of playtime. Super handy when you're on the go. When it comes to sound, Sony delivers as always. These headphones feature Digital Sound Enhancement Engine, DSEE, that restores details lost in compressed audio, so your music sounds richer and clearer. You can also customize your sound with the Sony Headphones Connect app, adjusting EQ settings to your taste. Plus, the built-in microphone makes taking calls and virtual meetings crystal clear. Thanks to Bluetooth 5.2, you get a stable, fast wireless connection with your devices, whether it's your smartphone, tablet, or laptop. The multi-point connection feature even allows you to connect to 2 devices at once, so switching between your phone and laptop is effortless. On-ear controls make it easy to manage music, calls, and even voice assistants like Siri or Google Assistant. So overall, the Sony WH-CH520 wireless headphones are lightweight, comfortable, and packed with features, from their incredible 50-hour battery life to clear sound and customizable EQ. And the best part? They come at a very budget-friendly price, making them a fantastic value for money option. If you want to check them out, I've left the Amazon link down below in the description. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more product reviews, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.